welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Dinesh, and like the last video, today we're gonna be adding what do you call that? Tell me the okay, I actually forgot. It's an embed. Alright, but while running through the commands or the code yeah, off camera, I also realized something. There is an entire rewrite because you can't add what do you call it embed without a prefix command. So we need to say, if we need to add a prefix command, we need to let's say change everything. So I'm going to show you around, and I'm gonna play some music, of course, and I'm gonna mute myself, and I'll give you guys some time to do all the changes. Alright? Alright, see you after. And now guys, hoping you're done, I'm going to scroll down, and there's only one command that you need to add when you scroll down, and that always at the end is client.run and token info caps. Yeah guys, so that's it. And now I'm going to show you guys how to add an embed. So I actually forgot how to add an embed. So I'm going to open up a new tab. Oops, that's too many new tabs. I'm going to go to Replit and do some, okay, I'm going to go to Replit and change the whole thing. Let's go to, okay, there is modulator. This is the bot that actually has what do you call that, an embed. I'm going to notification. Okay, that's weird. Now I'm going to go down. Okay, these things just take a bit too long to load, and there you go. Now if I go down, there is the embed. Now guys, now you guys have to go back to your Replit and try this, but I'm just gonna stay here and I'm gonna explain you guys through. So like all the Replit, this is a command async def depot. Here depot means deposition, and I'm gonna say where its deposition is located and all that. But you can change this depot part and the title and the description and all that. So this is the main part. You need this for the embed to work. And finally, the last line. Oh wait, this last line makes the embed actually run. So that's it guys, and the embed add field and value are important. You can either add it or not add it. It's totally up to you, but the name and the value is totally yours. The name is the title of the field, and then the value is what is inside the field. What is inside the field, yes. Like it's basically embed and description, but instead of adding a brand new embed, we're just doing it in a different way. Yeah guys, so that's it, and don't forget to add this at the end. Right now I'm going to mute myself and I'm going to run. I'm going to copy this, paste it, and then edit for myself. Alright guys, that's it, and for the next part of the video. I'm not going to be actually speaking anything. Instead, I'm just going to tell you some quick things. Now we are going to make our bot run forever. Some parts I'll be talking, some parts I won't be. So don't think that it's an audio cut, but it's actually not. Now we're gonna go click on trial YouTube bot. Since we're in Replit, you click on the button called add file, not add folder, but add file. Once you click on it, you're gonna want to name this one keep alive.py. You wanna put .py because it's important, and it tells Replit that this is actually a Python file and not a text file. If you don't put anything, it will be taken as a text file. Now I'm going to copy and paste some text here, but it won't take you guys a long time to actually copy it onto your Replit. And yeah guys, that's it. Please take your time to copy this while I'll be in mute. Okay guys, now you probably have already added this whole thing. Now what you want to do is open a new tab apart from the Replit and type in uptime robot. Oops, uptime robot. It's UPTIMEROBOT. Uptime robot. There you go. Now you want to sign in for this and everything. I'm just gonna click in login because I already have an account and a couple of tags here. Now what you want to do is wait until it loads, and mine is already here. I'm going to log in. It's going to redirect me back to the dashboard. Now once you're here, you're probably done logging in and all that. Now what you want to do is click on, sorry, you don't want to do anything, just leave that like that, and for you there's probably nothing here, but then you can see the add new monitor button. So I'm going to close my other Replit. I'm going to go to the trial YouTube bot Replit, go to the main file, and then you want to click run. Now I clicked run, so I'm bringing up the console. Now just see what happens. Oh, by the way, spoiler alert, sometimes Replit takes a long time to load all the files. If your file is, it depends on how big your file is and how many sub files like keepalive.py you have. Alright guys, so just wait. Once it says, there's going to be a white bar popping up saying hello, I'm not dead, or whatever you placed in here. Now I'm just going to mute up and wait until that white bar pops up. Okay guys, we just got an error, so now let's go look at what it is. Now it's saying that in MainPy, we're in MainPy, in module client.command, it says 18th line. So now let's recall back and go to the 18th line. As you see here is the 18th line. And let's see what's wrong here. Now we added everything, and there may be a mistake. So let me open up another Replit to compare it with my other bot that I made off camera. Well, not off camera because I already made it before. And we will see the differences we have between this one and that one. Now we're going to go to the first bot, the first command we have written in that as well. Now we'll go to modulator. This is the off camera bot that I told you I built. Now let's wait until it loads. It takes usually a long time to load because this one's not big, but then it has a lot of subfiles in it. I mean, it only has one subfile, but then that one subfile has a lot of other subfiles in it. Now if we come here, it says something over here on the first command is wrong, right? So we wrote async def hi, alright? So let's go here. What did we write? We also wrote async def hi, but we did forget something. You're not supposed to write it like this, or you're not supposed to have that whole client dot equal discord dot client. So let's go ahead and delete that, and let's go ahead and delete the whole print, no, not the whole print command, except the whole sub command. Now I need to go away for a while, so bye. Okay guys, I'm back. So now the part, oh wait, I think it tried to run while I was gone. Now let's go. We delete the whole print part. So while I'm on mute, I'm going to go copy this part. No, all you have to do is write down the following. Just delete the print part and then type in bot is ready. So we're here and then we're gonna put that and then type in, now we can put single or double. I'm going to put single. So bot is ready. Now we're done. Now that should work. I'm going to go on mute and see what happens. Okay guys, now you've seen that it says bot is ready. Except we are missing something. We are missing some important commands. Now I'm going to go click on stop because we forgot a single line to make it run forever. We're going to write above the client.run token at the bottomest line, at the lowest line we have, we're going to want to write keep underscore alive and then bracket. Now that's the thing that connects this and this together. They keep alive subfile and this one together. Now let's run it again and see what happens. So now it goes into this error, but don't think it's an error. It's actually something else. It says that this is the development and don't try to use it for production and stuff. Now you have this. You probably have this. Something written here. I have hello, I'm not dead. You might have hi or something like that. Now you might see this link up here. Now I want you to copy that and I want you to go to your uptime robot dashboard. Now I want you to click on add new monitor, and once you do, you're gonna come to this. Now you wanna click on please select on monitor time and type on HTTP or S. You wanna delete that and paste the link you have. I'm gonna give it the friendly name of try YouTube. Now I have that. Go down and you probably don't have, but I have this. I'm just gonna click on create monitor and create monitor with no alert contact. And once I click enter and come out, you can see the part where it says try YouTube. Now to test it out if it actually works, I'm gonna close this, go to try YouTube, and now let's leave this link alone. We wanna go to the tabs link, the replets link. Copy it, not copy, sorry. Copy it. Now you want to close your replit, open a new tab, and then paste in the replets link. Now once you do, probably the result is the replit is always running. That's how we know that it runs forever. Now let's see, if it says run, now it says stop. That means it's been running for the whole time. Now don't worry that this is an error or any of that. All these aren't error, but they look like errors, but they aren't. Now it's running forever. Now let's go ahead and test out our bot. If it isn't running, you probably did a mistake somewhere around. I'm gonna go over here, DT test, where we test out, and I'm gonna go to trial YouTube. Once I'm in trial YouTube, I'm gonna minimize this bar a little bit. I'm gonna erase that, and here our prefix over here is, let's say, comma, or the sign you put in here. I put at. Now let's say at depot or at whatever you've written for your embed. I'm going to go over here, full screen this, and type in at depot. Now once I do this, it should say it should something be like this. Like here it says deposition, commands only for admins, and fun commands. Now that's it guys. Now you can make your own one millions of times, but I would advise you guys to not add too many add fields, because the more fields you add, the more smaller the letters get, and you don't want it to get a bit too small. So yeah guys, that's it. And all the commands that you want to do, like if you go to, oops, that's not the one. If you go here, since you did it in what do you call that again, replit, you can type in the sign, and then if you type in help, this should probably appear. Now this we never did this. This is totally built in. Now once you type in at help or the sign you put and then help, your bot should say this. It should say all the commands you have right now. It's always updated. You don't have to update any of this. Now if this doesn't work, there is probably something in with the way that you created a bot, but 99% of the time this should actually work. And yeah, and before when I said I want to play a music, I'm sorry because I talked a bit too early and I couldn't really put the song in there. The song couldn't fit because it was too short. The time when I spoke was too short. Now you can see that online trial YouTube is online. Now I'm gonna give it the role bots. And now if I go ahead, 1 second. Now I did that. Now if I go over here, okay, okay, looks like he's having some error with my other bot. Now since you added the sign, this is going to work anywhere. And let's say that this depot, see to work, and help, stewards, and hi. Oops, that's ping myself. No, stop it. Just hi. Stewards. So I'm gonna purge this. Purge 3. In the next video guys, I'm gonna teach you how to make a moderation bot that purges, like let's say dot help. This is another bot, the modulator bot. Now I will teach you guys how to do ban commands, kick commands, ban commands, kick commands, and purge commands in the next video guys. See you later in the next video, of course.